Views on views. Holy cow, look at this thing. It's so dirty. Cold start. This thing is filthy too. I think we need to, actually we need to do a cold start on this thing. Look, oh my god, this thing needs a bath. Guys, like I said yesterday, if you have not followed me on Instagram, follow me at gabe.gtz. Let's I think I have the keys to that truck here. I do. Cold start. Let's cross our fingers and hope this thing starts. I don't even remember how to start this thing actually. Gonna let it warm up a little bit. I literally have not started that thing in like a month probably. Yeah, maybe a month, maybe even longer. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Gabe Gutierrez. If you're new, please smash that subscribe button. This is vlog number 3. And starting it off good. Cold start on this truck, cold start on that truck. You guys be ready. This is January, as you guys know. I'll start the sweepstakes for that truck this month. So I am super excited. I'm actually going there today to work on some stuff that I need to do for this giveaway. But yeah, as you guys see in the cold start on that thing, it is straight piped, it's tuned, it's got the easy link, it's all from PPEI. It was my daily, so it's the lift kit, wheels and tires, 2414s and 35s. I'm thinking about putting 33s back on it, which is how I used to have it, which was my ultimate favorite look. But I'm really not too sure because a lot of people don't like the thinner tire. So I might just get some new 35s before the giveaway. And gonna do a little bit of touch-ups and stuff here and there, like to the paint, like just correct it and stuff like that. Get it looking all brand new. There she is, running for you guys. So crazy to think that that truck is gonna go to someone, one of you guys. Just insane. I honestly never thought I would get rid of this truck. That's why I still have it. But yeah, I think it's time to do something with it. So 2414s, needs new tires. We'll have new tires before it gets taken. Alright, shutting her off. Coming around the corner, there's the valley view this morning. It's a little bit higher back there, but you guys can see it. I just went to like the post office and did a bunch of like the boring stuff that you guys probably don't even want to see. But anyways, right now I'm actually on my way to my parents' house, which is where my other nephew lives. The one that just had a baby, his little brother, has his car at my parents' house, which his car is brand spanking new. Like literally, it's probably only like, I wouldn't even say, probably a month old. And it's a brand new Honda Civic, and it's, yesterday it was not starting, which is really weird. So then they jumped it, they just put the cables on and literally started right up like as soon as you touch them. So it's kind of weird for the battery to be dead. Like he hasn't left any lights on, they're automatic and stuff. So I'm actually gonna pick him up right now. Well, I'm gonna have to jump it and then we're gonna drive it over and drop it off at Honda. But yeah, so I'm just actually pulling up now. Waiting for him to come out of my parents' house, but check this out. So I had to like park in the like yard kinda, but here is his car that I'm gonna have to jump start right now. These damn palm trees are such a mess. God, it's so dirty. I need to wash this thing. No. Nope. We need to start plugging. So weird. Dad, I know you're watching this. These palm trees need some pruning. You gotta cut them down, boy. There's the parking that I was talking about. So you got root beer? Salmon burger. Check out these fries. With the best friend. Range Rover's here. Let me show you guys what. Hold on, let me put this in here. So remember about the wreck the other day that I was talking about? That's exactly what I'm talking about right there. So like that whole bumper piece, the bottom piece is broken. That exhaust, sorry it's all dirty, but that exhaust is also off. Like it must be broken or just bent. That one's bent. So I'm gonna do a custom exhaust, get a new bumper, hopefully color matched, and yeah, try to figure something out with it. Okay. So yeah, I have to take the car in today to my buddy Jay's shop, but first we're gonna take my nephew back. So his car is done. It ended up being just a battery. They said that it was only charging like halfway of what it was supposed to be charging, so that's good, I guess. It was under warranty. This is my buddy Jay's truck. This is actually a Sema truck right here, sitting on 2814 RBQ forged wheels, 40-inch tires. It's a McGoy's kind of 12-inch lift. He actually has the shocks off of it right now. You can see the shocks are off, the traction bars are off, the truck's dirty, he hasn't washed it in a while. Look at the lift pump, that's dope. Shocks are off in the rear, and he's just kind of been working on it, just cleaning it back up, get it back to driving mode. But this thing is sick. So dope. Before I thought about giving my black truck away, actually, I was gonna run this lift kit, the 1012 from McGoy's, on the black truck and do some. I was actually only gonna run a 26/16 concave wheel with like a 35, but the truck's actually going to one of you guys. So yeah, anyways, this is his shop right here, Rapid Auto Body. If you guys are from town, he's actually in Fowler. Hit him up. If you guys have any collisions or any paint, anything you need, color matching, he built this entire truck right here, color matched, everything. Sick though. I'll show you the inside. He has the seats down in here. They're all black. I don't know if you, yep, black with the blue stitching. And you guys make sure to follow him on Instagram. I will put his link in the description. Also forgot to mention, this truck is actually for sale. So if you guys are interested, comment down below or contact me on Instagram, and I will hook you guys up with his information, and you guys can talk to him on Instagram. DM me and I will give you guys the price. I'm not going to disclose it on here, obviously. There's the dually. This one's actually his dad's truck, and this one's actually for sale also. Back up a little bit. This one's actually for sale also. You guys can hit me up about this one too if you guys are interested. So what we decided to do on the Range Rover, he's going to replace the rear bumper, and he's actually going to color match it all. So this Range Rover has like a Yulong white, it's like a pearl color look to it. Like I said, he's gonna do custom exhaust on it. He's gonna replace that back bumper, but we're actually going to paint all of the matte black stuff. I actually have 22-inch wheels that are staggered for this thing, just haven't put them on. So all of the bottom black stuff will be white, This silver will be black. This will be gloss black. I think he's gonna debadge it. He's gonna repaint that grill because it's really bad looking, so he's gonna do a gloss black. All of this silver he's gonna delete and do gloss black. That silver also gloss black. Range Rover, I don't know why you guys put this in white, but he's painting that black. And that is pretty much it. Then gonna get the 22s back on it, so it should look dope. And after I do all that, I mean, then I'll be able to wrap it all and it'd be sick. So if I get tired of it this color, we can wrap it all black, which I think I kind of want to do it in black. Oh, he's also gonna paint this, I believe white. He's gonna debadge that, and yeah, should look dope. But anyways, let's get back home. And home just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. If you are new, like I said, please smash that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post a new video on here. So you guys make sure stay tuned. The black trucks giveaway, where's that thing at? It is right there. That whole sweepstakes is gonna get started this month, so you guys be ready for that. Thank you guys, I appreciate it so much. But for now, have a good night. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.